Hey guys, today we have a quick tutorial video to show you how to record your ringless voicemail message. This is the message that your prospects will hear when we deliver your voicemail to their voicemail inbox. Let me show you how it works. From your dashboard, you can navigate straight to RVM recordings. From here you have two options. You can either record that message directly from your computer or upload a message that you have already pre-recorded from your computer. If you want to do it from your computer live, simply click this microphone to begin recording. Hi, this is Vince. I'm a local investor. I'm interested in buying your house. I hope that you'll call me back to discuss it. You can then play back that message.
Hi, this is Vince. I'm a local investor. I'm interested in buying your house. I hope that you'll call me back to discuss it.
And if you like what you've heard, you can simply name that recording and click this button to save it to your REIRail account. Now, you have another option, which is to download this file to your local computer for use elsewhere. The second option for recording your ringless voicemail message is to simply upload a previously recorded message that you may have on an external drive or on your computer. You can just navigate for that file, select it, and you see success. It's been uploaded. Now, all you have to do is decide which recording you'd like to use for this campaign by selecting the radio button next to it, and that's it. You have just created your ringless voicemail message.